This is the bed plum tree, locally known as inji. This inji is edible and has a very high economic value. In Binga, women sell fruits mostly to travelers. With the proceeds from this fruit, families are sustained, children are sent to school. What is inji?
Bed plum is the English name. Bechemia discolor is the scientific name for the tree. It usually grows up to a height of 7 to 20 meters. It is found in the riverine areas or in the open dry woodlands. Usually you find them growing on termite mounds. The color of the bark is usually dark grayish and it's rough. The flowering season is usually in October, in January. People start harvesting the fruits in January, maybe up to April. They find that the tree is termite resistant. Looking at that, it can grow in open dry woodlands. It's termite resistant. It can survive the drought when it's now mature.
The bed plum tree provides good shade for community meetings and families at home. The fruit can be consumed or processed into other byproducts. Let us look at one very popular byproduct made from the bed plum fruit, the Watonga cake. In order to make this inji cake, the fruit is dried and then soaked in water overnight. The soaked fruit is then put into a mortar for pounding. Great care is taken to make sure only the fruit is pounded. The soaked fruit is pounded into a porridge, with the seeds separating from the rest of the fruit. Next, pounded millet meal is added. Pounding continues, mixing the soaked fruit and millet meal together. Pounding continues, making sure the fruit and the millet meal mix well. The mixture is further crushed by hand to get rid of any mounds. This also further mixes the fruit with the millet meal. The mixture is then winnowed to remove seeds. Meanwhile, a fire is made in preparation for the cooking. The mixture is put back into the mortar. Then sugar can be added as an option. But traditionally, the Watonga cake is made without adding artificial sugar, as the fruit is sweet on its own. Then all ingredients are pounded to mix well. After pounding, the water that was left from the soaked fruit is added to the mixture to make the dough. First, the mixture is mixed up, then pounded again. Pounding continues until the ingredients mix well and solidify. Next, the dough is molded into a desirable shape around the reed, making sure the thickness of the dough around the reed is even. The reed is used to ensure that the dough is hollow inside so that it cooks well. Next, clean reeds are put at the bottom of the pot to ensure that water circulates well for even cooking. Water is added to the molded dough.
Oh, mwanangu wabajire mubo bae bakunganda umusa unono
Anoyu munyama yo nze
samutegwa muzungura omusamu mpati viro ajanika kuzvachinji murizi kusigira ino laberera kubuya ulapalapala yamagwana uri kwalikafuka topala yakubona mukati kulatuvatuva nikwayuma niwayanika pauda yakona ngeaba people mbuli maluvale dasala mbuli maluvu mbunga yaba pauda yakona niwabobo musunsu wakona uya mwana kuti wapsa olabika wabana kwajata kuzvakwa konkupona kwajiranda oro kachidhibhidhebyo ongaya marwazi akasika nohepsi kuti wabona muntu waumwa hepsi munokuveresya kufafaza kupauda tu kulavereka sikiri musungu
ngakwapuka kuyuma
iyi kulapuka kuyuma via tilonda taji mudisturb
nzubereka kupera
iyi nzubereka kupera kana kuti kachiri chaima mndifimbulejo so azhiumpa mburimbuzi vedhobo zichiobwezererwa ziraumpa yavankala kuti ive nkala kwasiya mpoto wasikujika mumanzi kasikubika mazi twajika yavasoda ira jisi chaterera yajinditerera jisi chimubona jinda marwasi ajindaya mabp tezi yali kuchita pezi yali kuligwa ezi yali kulisirika lwazi lwomoyo tekwali kuponenwa kusirikwa mbulimbu tusirikwa mapiri oloswe zintanga twali kuzikanga twazilyayi bapati bali kukasika kugonka muzungu olo yino wabona kukedwa vile muzungu la twaugonka ngaba kusiyanira ko community tanwa kugonkera ayando konkwa temusamu bya kedwa miche but tabayando ikonka pimbu kambo tuyashikalepe mbubo bombujita
tuyasipe muri
ya milimo miti yake tuyagigalepe domago magi ngambiri patiri wani mbubo butali bikima pieces mabezo kwako kubakonka vererera swakali wani koma mbubo mago magi so umusamanti mabona ina mbanyama bali obo especially mburi donkey kuti asika musungura tiputike dori kwakumana zirali yasiviri yoti mbicha
ngaziri kulya
ziri kulya ziranona ziraka sweet tikamuyenda kumvwa rubo kutuvherani sigwauri kuti vayenda kulya nomuntu kuti kola nchiyanda kulida flying kajo mugarden ndo mutondesa mwakona musamu uvherana utari kubuya kulya manja oti vapambidza nekuti norolidai mpuwa inonitwa zomuno twazakubereka oyu kwaba mixed aoyu omusamu tegwa ngunyenye nkambo kabana aba basala twabanye mpo ulabikwa rubo measurement ya momu ayanyenye ulaligwa uporridge kubanagazi
akutitira kuti kubebyeni
muntu itemperature ya mubiri yerete kuba normal kiri kuma 36 37 not muntu kuti wakubona kuma 31 temperature kazigendo kuti kazi appetize pe lotwa yankuti titi abo zereta zinoneke kalepe umubiri mu fridge takufisa kulala so nzubereka msamo erede kuti waswani sawu nwauli yakatoroyo nwanza kwanza keta muya wako nango aba different wa yebo la umva kuti kuli muntu yani muya waswa msamo so amumubiri wa muntu berede kwaba muya usaka musya muntu eza muntu awuko wali mvisi yebo kuti wali muntu kuti tufata wali jisidi samo yoguma kaze musiyana ngatazi kibotoboto ngatanga manda afulisa kubereka msamo mujini ngevere bati mabope mbwambwa muzindoro bapati jindirozi bali kosa bali kwanga bali kuberesya muri family plan wakonzya kwanga nkoto ziri 3 or 4 kuti apo akara 4 years kotakwe mwana toto adosura la baba
kwangide kupera
kwangide kupera musana wanga toko anje tokaberesya mapilisi bo bamwe mapilisi gangi tuberesya futi balakonde mama mabi songa tazitiboneki zibo tupenkambo zingi twakazisiya songa wabijirali mishose so wedeka kubachini kuliti ndiribo bantu no tulokubereseke gwama protect amubiri utontora ngazi yasiyana kule nchibagaga kuti twaberese kuti katuli batumba ngakwaindirira so weredeka kulaji ntubika sara aro protected akasara so muntu pakuyikondema kubira aputabira nkambitabira marazi mingi so titwaireka nkamboka kutontora kwayo mbumulibene yazwa muka plastic muntu waliberesya for sure orwakaliberesya ngawa vati lyatontora podi aya atontora rubo mu fridge ngata zichisyo endera.
Besides their medicinal uses, some binga trees are just mysterious in nature.
musamunzi
oyo musamu tegwa ninjobo limwizi na bamwe bawuze kuti ni usibonisibo
uberekanzi
oyo musamu chindi kuzwa mukuti banene bakali kutulida te imisamu yalagi iyo borola kuti na kuli bantu amonsi uswaye kwabe nsulo kwanguno kiti kana kuti bajika makande bali kutyola mbubobo kuti bantu bavule babika munsa drum balo kuchika munongo shabo bugande obotabula lipe mulamana ambo ulayo bolola olo wali kuli ulanka kuti sika kuphera obereka kuli mbubobo lo abweza wazinga kanini waitaso wabika kuphera wala kuphera fere mbibereka mbi ali kubereka byambutu isi kuti ninjobo njobolo labantu peyanda muntu munzi lyukwene sibulamo yosara nkambo kuti yo yaba nebenzo basika kuphera kumbwa ngakuphera lasika bali upaji yandisyo kubantu kuti basika mo mbumusamo mbobereka ngusibona isiko tukwesiko pembo mugeno bokuzwanza taliwo byapesiko so emusamu kutuyanda kutubone kutuyanda kuja yawa ugonke eri mpaka ya mulabona awo tujojope pofuti jimwijindi kutwayanda wa distepeka okana ngaita uti ulalonga ulikemu yobona na matirambi awa tujiope wayuma po ulajita insege insege zyakhona kuti ziyabiswa zezi kuti ziyaba mature ziratuba so ziyamba kuti ziyakabiswa kuti imenzi yozive kuti insege zirabereka zirako ziramena ndakazama ndakali kubereka mabhinga trees kuita manesari po ndazviyobyara nindakabyara jonzi yolamena tokakipe nono amena munesari umwe mukapocket wabona yakwana 2 weeks komenede ulatalika kulambira akasamuka limu kwa umwe mushobo fumbwa wo kutujiwa and tishobira futi wauluka inkambo bobo boneni wakujuru ansimpozi watobonita idono aubyala numena no ubona atengo wamena but kuti ukasike bya ube musamulambire okonsi tunojiri wope ngo musamu ali kuberese gwajindi kuzwa mukuti tegwa ninjobo tiyande okala penda uzonse kuli mbibona manjoro giri bobo wadu janika nkuko kuno kupera so kuno ku site kubanga kulijoro nkambo nkutongo lya chief pinga ajindi akazwa mukuti linga so kubanga ndiragiri yako yake ndi akapede vere uli ama family yako kupera timwa yako nembo mwaenda abana bakwe bonse aba bazukuru tamjo ujani rubo yando chanika pe musamu abajinda bambuka kale ngwambu buvere syambu
Wamba kuti abana kaziva muberese musamu uberese koyeni
Kubaba kazino kuti kwafura kukomba kapita bachichati myanda but we ulabereka kuli bayanda kuti ntu yonse yawo gishoma balabeka mbubo bwabikamuka pesi kakwe sizoko kuma business okwa kubalombe kuti ngazi yakumuberekera biyeni wengu yobona ati yamugwashana labereka sibiri balowamba sibiri banini bajikula byambuli mbi balowamba batu sanje yarutaka musamu so mbuli kuti kabino mwabika mbuli bajiba nini wabika wenda ani ndwenu yosalula bya tine yawanda yanda mpo agwishya so titunoyanda tionoleka kama jiyoboloka mpo wakubona mbubereka akoma business ulabereka ulaita abantu stereki ngomusamu tegwa njobo tegwa sibonisi bwali bakali kutulita abane bali kuti musamu oyo kutwa upegwa chorwe ulaji kulansi kutwa pegwa chorwe omala jana kakuntabusi zibati mpuli desigo wasya omala jana ziguli sibanga amapoti magwe mbujano abali sisiko lyakona mambuli bebe kuti nindiana kazumalira tuba kuti nina ndumi ibako pink po alako yo walisya oyo matali nasya tere ulasiya walumba ede kusiya jimwe jintu jindu mabali kusiya bulungu itaendi kupera pe kutwaenda kupera winkaka kulako umaka yosoeka luko
chipa ikapati chipa kuti ilonge ni nyama angainike ankona tirika poto kana kuti bantu bali baisya bakona bulika pati kubana kazi tayere de kusasigwa mwana kazi ujisamba pe so ngo musamu ngo janika kubinga mulimbo mukweno obi ankokushuka tukwematu nintambo kupera mbubu kazifurula kazisyala mbubu takwe tuli bape akasamuka kona menda kubyala mukapepa nkaka pockets akakubyalira funga container ulamena sibiri mu container ino aja container mpona kubyalira kuli manesa anti ngakuli tusamu tusiyenesi ulamena bya mu 2 weeks ndamfu kutika kuli chili mono rwamena 2 weeks mpono amena ulazwa kakali mbuli spring onion kakali mbubu kakatakwa amatu akalako kakali kantambo but mu 2 weeks time karapsa oku kakajatirira ali kamwe kasamu mbubu kukumena kwawo so kuti uziwe kuti aninga wakamene nali tono ndakati byali domba titujimope wajatirira ali kamwe kasamu kubona kuti
In Binga, not all important trees are fruit trees. The Mopani tree has built homes and communities at large. To these women and many others, the Mopani tree is a daily source of income.
Ezinkuni ngati income gani tubana akazi toweza mabewa. Atuzetu afuma chindi chingi kusentu akutepa nkuni mukuti vere balimita bajatiki penga tingatu akukonkandiswe. Ezinkuni zitu gwacha uti twabana twazawo kuzyo kuno. Imwe time nga muntu ati ndibigire nkuni zili 10. Wo wakupakiri mali lamu mponge yako kwacha kuti no wabadela mwana kuchikolo kana kuti no abadela mpo akula impongo kuti bana izoba kwache junga
Kuni zakhona ukuthi uyakuzijana ino kwabakule kule ngathi uyakuyandida imisamu miyumu kambo misamu yandikana njira yakayuma ifite
oli msamu ngani oyi tuyandisha utema mngani kambo uti imngani tuzimipe ulamagala.
Mopane tree, the scientific name is Colophosperma mopane. In Tonga, the same one. In most areas, they use it for firewood because it burns for a long time, and some use it to produce charcoal. It is the most preferred wood when it comes to the firewood. So we really encourage people around the area to not just randomly cut the wood as it grows slowly. For it to mature, we say it takes up to 50 to 60 years for it to say it's now mature.
Otutema imngani uvolete utokazumizigwa ikutika tutema aba forest.
Mopane tree, it's a protected species. So that's why you find that most of the time people, and even according to a Forest Act and even in the Communal Lands Forest Produce Act, it's decided that it's a protected species. The firewood trading was banned a long time ago, and then they opened it in 2012 where they brought in as a statutory instrument SI 116 of 2012, where they were now permitting people to trade on firewood as long as you get a permit from Forestry Commission, as long as you get you're supposed to get a harvesting permit also from the Rural District Council for you to harvest, because I can say the resources within the community, they are communally owned, and the communal people are the ones who are supposed to freely benefit from that resource. But when somebody comes in, even if he's a local person, and starts trading on firewood, he's supposed to pay something to the council, which is now the harvesting permit. And then for you, we also, as Forestry Commission, we issue a firewood traders license for you to trade in firewood. And then if you are moving from Binga, maybe to Blawayo, to Wange, taking the firewood from this side, you're supposed to get a forest produce movement permit that permits you to move from one district to another. The wood is very durable. It's hard, though at times it's hard to work on. It gives it good furniture. Usually also in the mines they use it as pillars, and also they're used as railway sleepers for their strength. Since they're durable and hard, they are not easily breakable.
The strength of the Mopane tree has facilitated the development of sophisticated Tonga architecture.
Ordinarily, when you talk to people, they will tell you that this structure, this type of a hut, is distinctly Tonga. People know that this is associated with Tonga culture. And indeed, it is one of the main distinctive features that make up Tonga culture. But architecturally, when you talk to architects, they will tell you that this is one of the major achievements in Tonga construction, if you want. Most ethnic groups in Zimbabwe, they have their houses on the ground. But the Tonga people managed to come up with this hut that is raised from the ground. Normally in English, they will say it's a house on stilts, right? But in Tonga, it's called Ngazi.
Kamwe wenekiri Ngazi ovo. Aga inkamusogwe twagu konka twagu yandula msamutegwa mwani. Yandula msamutegwa mwani. Azagu yitagu kugwampa mane kuze gabe mfune ovo. Ugamba ntwali chitira ovo chitunga toko kwampira. Twitira kuti gube long time kikedi anyo. Inonkandira kwambula ovo awa bwali ndende wagisia. Otherwise ndatibya ubusia kwamba wali ndamato mukaba matonga ali 4. koma matonga alifo nkiro kusebenza ngazi zisamu zizezi.
The Tonga people had a good reading of their environment and what surrounded them. Their environment was full of predators. They lived in proximity of the Zambezi River, which river flooded at times, and these floods were fatal. They brought with them water, of course, but they also brought a lot of dangers. So there was need to raise their hearts from the ground. So this is distinctly cultural, but informed by the threats that surrounded them. So for me, a backward people cannot go that far. Otherwise, the ethnic group should have been wiped out by the many dangers that surrounded them. They lived amidst a lot of dangers, to the extent that if they were not creative, resourceful, they could have been wiped as an ethnic group. But far from it, the Tongas rose above the occasion by way of coming up with a unique architecture that today forms a major part of their identity, a major constituent part of their culture.
Back home, we don't fancy flats because we already have our own. Join us in the next episode as we reveal more about the Batonga. I am Eldrina Mdenda. Twalumba.